In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate email flows in Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log in to your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a navigation menu. Click on Flows to get started. This is where you'll manage all your automated email sequences. Now it's time to create your flow. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a button that says Create Flow. Go ahead and click that. This will open the Flow library, where you can choose from a variety of pre-built automation templates. Here, you'll want to select a template that aligns with your marketing goals. For example, if you want to welcome new customers, you might choose a Welcome Series template. It's a great way to engage your audience right from the start. After selecting your template, you'll be directed to a setup modal where you need to configure the flow's trigger. Now let's pause for a moment to explain what a trigger is. The trigger is essentially the specific action that prompts the automated email sequence to start. This could be something like a new subscriber joining your list or a customer placing an order. Once you've set up your trigger, click Use Template to move into the visual canvas where you'll see the flow mapped out. At this point, take a moment to review the sequence you've just created. You'll want to scan the step-by-step automation timeline on the canvas to ensure that the emails are in the correct order and that all the messaging content is ready to go. It's important to verify that everything looks good before you activate the flow. Now that you've reviewed everything, it's time to turn the flow live. Look for the button that says Review and Turn On in the top right corner of the canvas. Click that button and you'll see a drop-down menu for the status. You'll want to change it from Draft to Live. This action is crucial because it essentially tells Klaviyo that you're ready for the flow to start working in real time. Once you've updated the status to Live, click the Update Status button. This will lock in your changes and officially activate your flow. Congratulations! Your email flow is now active and will begin sending emails to anyone who meets the trigger criteria you've set, seamlessly leveraging automation to engage your audience. And that's it. You've successfully activated an email flow in Klaviyo. You're now ready to nurture leads and connect with your customers automatically based on their actions. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your marketing efforts.